Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. My name is Vinny. You're watching Dirty Offroad. Well, as we know by now, Amanda's Jeep has had a shake issue. After swapping out some wheels and tires, we see now that it is the wheels and tires. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna look for her stock wheels and tires and put those on and go from there. The problem we're having is they're somewhere in these containers. I'm a little afraid to go inside, but I have one key, so it should be one container. Let's try this one first. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Oof. Actually, it's not as bad as I thought. Boy, it sure is warm in here. I think this might be them, boys. This might be them. That's them. Let me start getting them out of here. Fuck, it's hot. All right, guys. It's a sad day. Look what we're rocking now. We are back on stockies. Like legitimate, the cheapest wheels you could buy from Jeep. Straight steelies. We just threw these on to see if it drives well. So what we do is we're gonna jump in and go from there. One of the positives is the TPMS sensors are working now. We just have to, I guess, put air in the tires. But we don't have a air gauge here. All right, so it says the tire pressure is low. Jesus. But the most important thing is if this drives stock again, I think it'll drive better than stock because of all the wonderful components, and our speedometer will be spot on.
I'm gonna be completely honest though, since my Jeep still has the stock wheels on it, it honestly just feels like I'm driving my own Jeep.
Well, yeah, it's a stock Jeep. Like, look at this Gladiator.
Even with it being lifted and everything, it definitely does look like we're missing a couple of days, actually a couple of years of leg day on here, but it's all good.
All right, we're gonna get up down this road. The goal is to get to at least 60 to see what the wheel does. Well, at the end of the day, it's better that the vehicle drives safe and fast. But let's take another look at it from like wider angle. This is how she bought the Jeep, those wheels. So I think the real question is, what wheels should we go with? Should we go with beadlocks? Should we go with fancy wheels? Should we go with off-road wheels? What do you guys suggest? Comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.